Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I finally received my Boxy Premium Box. The Boxy Premium Box is a hefty size. It's pretty big. It's not like the standard base box. The Premium Box is supposed to be a little bit better than the base box. So this is you guys' sneak peek. I try not to look myself when I do the sneak peek for you guys. I just put it so you guys can see. Whoop! The card fell out. Something always falls out when I do this, but nevertheless, here we go. Let's see here. All right, so let's see what the card says. So the card, I took a peek. I had to peek. I'm sorry, all right? No more peeking. This is what the card looks like, the same as my Boxy Luxe card. This is the BoxyCharm, the Oasis, and they have the prices on the back. I love when they do the prices and everything. Alrighty, so the first thing I got is something that I already use already, but I didn't want to buy it again. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is the first thing I pulled out from my box. This is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I was gonna say eyeshadow contour palette. So I actually already own one of these. I received this in a strategy meeting that I did for Too Faced Cosmetics. After the strategy meeting, I was nice enough that he gave me a bag of gratis, which he didn't have to do, but that was very sweet of him to try out some of the products. And this was one of the things that was in my goodie bag that he gave me. And to be honest, let me see if I could cover the thing. So I'm going to show you from mine. I never thought I would like this palette, so I'm happy I actually got it for free because I would have never bought this on my own. But as you can see, there's one color that I use a lot, which is this one right here. It's called Deep Contour, and then I actually use medium highlight. I use that as my reverse contour highlighter. So I'm happy that I got this. I just like that dark color in the corner. And I was sad because I'm like, what am I going to do when this ends? Because I don't want to buy a whole palette just for like one or two colors. So now I have another one. Woo-hoo! So that when I saw he was getting this, I was hoping that all the premium members was going to get this. Because I was like, I like this one color in here or maybe two. But like, I'm not going to buy a whole palette just for one or two colors. So I have my backup now. So I'll save this for when I finally run out of that darker color. So far, 1 for 1. I like the first thing in the box. All right, the next thing I got in the box is Skin & Co. Sardian Spirit Shower Gel. The Italian collection, made in Italy. So this is the first time I've seen shower gel in the boxes. Normally, the boxes are getting so different now because I feel like BoxyCharm, when it first came out, it was like all like 90% makeup. And now it's like a lot of skincare and miscellaneous stuff. I'm not complaining because I like trying beauty products, but I did see like in a couple of threads that people were saying that, you know, we're starting to get too much skincare and they liked when it was more makeup related. For me, like I love all of this stuff. I love being girly. I love hair stuff. I love beauty stuff. I love skincare stuff. I love it all. So for me, it doesn't bother me. Let's see if this has a seal on it. It does have a seal. Oh, that seal. I wasn't going to even open it now, but the seal popped off so fast. Oh my goodness. This smells like ginger.
Oh, no.
Smells like ginger. I'm so sad because I'm definitely not going to be, not for Aisha. I like sweet smelling scents. That's why the only thing I don't like about like mystery boxes is the scents. And so far, any scent that I've got, I did not like. This is definitely not an Aisha scent. This is giving me ginger galore. Not feeling this scent. So probably won't be using this. But since the lid is open on this, I may have to like give this to like a family member and be like, hey, I accidentally opened it, but I didn't actually use it. So this one is a no-go for me. All right, so let me tell you how much a contour palette is. So also I forgot to mention this box is only $35 monthly. All right, so the shower gel was $22, and the Too Faced contour palette was $44. So with that one contour palette, you surpass the price of the whole box. So when everybody's like,
Aisha, why do you do mystery boxes? You have so much makeup. You don't need any more makeup.
well, you know what? You're right. I don't need any more makeup, so I can't argue with them when they do say that. But I do tell them, this is what I tell them, I like trying new beauty products. I like trying new stuff. Regardless if they had mystery boxes or not, or subscription boxes or not, I was going to buy this stuff anyway. But now I had the luxury of saving a few coins here and there. Because back in the day, you guys seen a preview of my beauty room. I have a lot of stuff, and I paid full price for a half of majority of the stuff I have. A lot of stuff I do get from gratis because I do work in this industry, but a lot of stuff I do buy too because I just like makeup in general. So this is great because I get to try new stuff and I don't gotta pay that price, and I can save a couple of more coins to get more subscription boxes and to have more content for you guys. So it's a win-win situation. All right, so let's see what else. This is what I was surprised and that was going to be in a box, and I was very happy about because I've been falling in love with the Glow Recipe brand. Glow Recipe has been in BoxyCharm boxes a lot. There we go. I'm like, can you zoom in so you guys can see? It finally zooms in. This says retinol sleeping mask, moisturizing and firming. Retinol is supposed to be very good for the skin. So super excited to try this out. Let me open this up. I got a lot of stuff from Glow Recipe from BoxyCharm. I got that cool little spray. I got the moisturizer. I missed out on that mask because it was like, they put it in the base box, but I think that was the time when they were doing like Boxy Luxe. When you get the Boxy Luxe, you don't get the base box, so I missed out on when they gave the sleeping mask. I was totally bummed about that, but it's okay. I'm sure eventually in one of my subscription boxes they'll put it in there. Oh, look how cute! I loves it. Like a little avocado. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Let's see. So this retails for, let's see here. Glow Recipe, $49. Surpassed the price, the box. Like, look, all of these things are surpassing the value of the box. So, I'm winning. Who's on a winning team? I'm on a winning team. So let's see. I saw someone else's video and they said it didn't smell like anything. So I'm going to still smell it anyway because I like to smell everything. But let's see. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything at all. I think I'm going to try this tonight. I'm going to do a little self-care and do a little avocado mask. All right. Very, very, very excited for this. So far, I like these two things that I got in my box. I am not, I don't think when somebody's watching, they want to smell like ginger. I know ginger's good for you for the inside of the body, but I don't know. That's just my opinion, though. And I love that I got my backup now. So what was my choice? Oh, my choice was the lashes. This was my choice. I do like lashes, so I was like, out of everything they had, I was like, I guess I'll do the lashes. But I wasn't really thrilled about anything, but I mean, you can't go wrong with a pair of lashes. So this is from the brand Lash-Aholic Luxury Lashes. I love the pink. Love the pink, pink, pink. Look at the pink on this. Look how cute this pink is. So let me pull this out so you guys can see. I mean, I'm more for dramatic lashes, but these are not that bad. They're giving you like medium drama. You're getting a little medium drama here. Not too shabby, not too shabby. It won't be my first choice, but like if I'm trying to do a natural look, then I'll go for these. So these lashes retail for $14.99. All right, so far I like everything. The only thing I didn't love was the shower gel. Let's see what else I got in here. Another one. I could have sworn I got one of these. Maybe it was in my Ipsy, but I have another Kat Von D Inkwell long wear matte eyeliner. I did get one of these in my BoxyCharm boxes. Or did I not? No. I did get this, but I got the blue one. I got the royal blue one, and I did get it actually in my premium box, I think. So this is a black. Is this black? Let's see. Yeah, it says Trooper Black. Okay. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Normally, I like my liquid liners to be like shiny, but I'm here for it. So I have a lot of liquid liners, so I'm not even gonna open this. This is gonna be in a bin of liquid liners and mascaras. All right, so that retails for $20. So far, I'm liking everything. Wow, premium. This premium box, I'm actually happy for. I really like everything except for one thing. All right, the next thing is, what did I get? This is a Sculpting Duo Brush. I like this. This is cute. It looks like some of the hairs are already coming out though, and I didn't even start using it yet. You guys know I love brushes, so I will never turn down a brush. So, overall, I feel like this premium box was amazing. Absolutely amazing. I loved everything. And I mean, this wasn't that bad. I mean, we all could use shower gel. A shower gel is a shower gel. I just didn't like the smell. But overall, I loved my new brush. I love my new liquid liner. I love my I was gonna say mascara. I love my new lashes. Love this mask. I'm using this tonight. And you guys know I already use this already. I just only use one color, unfortunately. But this color is nice for like a darker skin tone. I don't know if this is going to look nice on lighter because this comes out pretty dark on me. This color right here. And just want to mention something. This smells like cocoa. Oh my gosh. When I do my makeup in the mornings and I smell this, it smells so good. I love that Too Faced, a lot of their stuff has scent to them. It's so invigorating. Tarte, a lot of their stuff has scent to it too as well. But that is it. My box is empty. That is the end of my premium box for the month of June. If you guys love my video today, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you stayed to the end of this video, what are you guys waiting for? You guys like my video, so please subscribe. Give your girl some love, show some support. And if you want, I like chit-chatting with my subscribers. Leave me a comment below. I comment back to every single person who comments to me, so we can have a little conversation. Where you from, where you live, what you got in your box. Let's have a little conversation. And that's it. This is the end of my video. So this is always my sad part because I'm gonna miss you guys, but you guys know I get so much subscription boxes, so you guys know I'll see you guys soon. So till the next video.